Been out 8th Street in a minute. Oh, it look way different. You know, we got the gold kitchen. They need me in there chefing. Food got the ghost white on them. Love driving that thing. Let me see what this joint hitting for. Get lost in the alley. Dilly dally in the alley. Oh, they got the Thai sushi. That's definitely ain't been there forever. Alright, you live with G's, you live with G on the tour DC. 8th Street got the garden right here. Shout out, that's gonna be how I'm in the future. Waiting on the world to change. Got the mural. One day our generation is gonna free the population. We're not waiting now. Let's go early. Shout out. So there you go. It's just a live tour. Shout out to the old Atlas jump off. That's classic action. Alright, about to go grab my smoothie action and do what I do. Enjoy what you do. Keep doing it. Alright, ease it on. Oh yeah, dude sold a motorcycle. Couldn't even grab it, yo. It's all good though. I'm gonna go party a little bit. I didn't even know this was out here. I just fell into this because I was doing some work in the city. You gotta get that money, keep it moving. And then I found this was going on. I don't know how much you know about go-go music, but this is like DC's official music. One time for you, keeping that chocolate in the city, you feel me? Hey. Hey.
That Montana, where anything goes as long as that shit is peaceful. Big freestyle fists in the air, and then I say power to the people.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
Power to the people. Yo, that joint crazy. Giving you live in the DC. We had a concert action going. We had a classic whips. Shout out to the ladybug. But you won't never bug me, my lady. See, I'm so fresh. And I can't keep off me. There you go. You see me riding with my big homie, my new homie. What up? We gonna call you, we gotta give you a name. We gonna give you some Swahili. I don't even know if it's Swahili. It just be it just be a name we gonna give you. Let's go with, I don't wanna give you a basic name. You know what I mean? Give me some hot. What would your name, if you could be a name, what would your name be, Lil Planny? What would it mean? Your name, not Roscoe. I don't even know. Shantae. No, not Shantae. What else we got? I had to cancel that one. Rooney. Nah, you ain't a Rooney. You like a Rodamez. Randy. Jacob. We'll go with Botswana. Country in Africa. Botswana it is. There you go. Say hello, Botswana. Hi. Hey, people, it's Botswana. Donde encontramos? Oh, it's wavy, baby. We out here. This the Potomac. Your boy out here. Huh? Let me straight. Cause where that plane's coming from is Arlington. Hold on. Where that plane's coming from is Come a little closer.
See, I had dropped it a little smooth. She talking about she couldn't hear me out there. So I'm like, yeah, come a little closer. Cause she this was my first time on the paddle boat. She had did it before. So she kind of, was used to it. So she could maneuver better. So, just mess with her. After that, we took a walk. Most part of the flowers we had seen during our walk. And we just sat on the little water edge and talked for a little bit. I spent like $35, $36 on the paddle boats for both of us. They're not paddle boats, they're kayaks. I guess, whatever, you've seen it. And then look, the bees, I'm seeing more and more. I don't get it.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on right here. Like, it's not a flower. My breath smell that good, yo. That's what it's gotta be. I got the best smelling breath.
Yeah, ain't nobody denying it, right?
Tell me otherwise then. Yo, I'm really trying to figure out what's going on right here.
Then we see this is part of the sunset we seen. It's watching the views go down. It's right off of Georgetown. And y'all checking my life. So that was a cool vibe. She ain't pop back to the spot with me, but I'm gonna still enjoy. I'm gonna still catch a good vibe off of that. She was cool. She from Cali, matter of fact. But out here, I'm still gotta do my thing, cause I gotta get back to that work life. Got big things when I get up in the AM. So I hope y'all enjoying this. Just showing you my life, cause I really live it. I'm gonna talk to you more right now. I'm just showing you, cause I'm busting these moves. I got a lot going on. So just keep doing your thing. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share with others. I'm just showing you what's possible out there as I'm maneuvering through this COVID too. So just keep doing your thing. Ghefe squad, that's what it is. Easy though.